First, open your browser and type Western Mutual Insurance customer care number. Then, you will see the latest and write Western Mutual Insurance customer care number. After this, dial their customer care number. Once you have dialed the number and connected, here's how to proceed with your queries. 1. Listen to the automated prompts. Pay close attention to the options presented by the automated system. Insurance companies often have different departments for specific inquiries, e.g., claims, billing, policy changes, general questions. 2. Select the most appropriate option. Use your phone's keypad to choose the option that best aligns with the reason for your call. If you are unsure, a general, customer service, or other inquiries option is usually a good starting point. 3. Wait for a representative. After selecting an option, you may be placed on hold. Be patient and wait for the next available customer service representative. 4. Identify yourself and your policy. When a representative answers, clearly state your name and your policy number. This will allow them to quickly access your account information. 5. Clearly explain your query. Be concise and specific about what you need assistance with. Provide all relevant details and any supporting information you have. For example, if you have a question about a bill, mention the specific bill date or amount. If you have a claim-related question, provide your claim number. 6. Listen carefully to the representative's responses. Pay attention to the information they provide and don't hesitate to ask for clarification if anything is unclear. 7. Take notes. It's helpful to jot down the representative's name, any reference numbers they provide, and the outcome or next steps discussed during the call. 8. Be polite and respectful. Maintaining a courteous and respectful tone will help ensure a productive conversation. 9. Ask for confirmation. Before ending the call, summarize the key points discussed and any agreed upon actions to ensure you both have the same understanding. If you need a follow-up, ask about the expected timeframe and how you will be contacted. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate your queries to Western Mutual Insurance customer care after you've dialed their number.